Hello students, today we are going to see a new chapter from history, that is chapter number 1, what, where, how and when, for the class 6th standard. So today we will go with history chapter. Before going to history, let us make you clear why we have to study history. We can remember what has happened today, yesterday, or you can say a year back. But if you want to know what happened long back, that is what you call 100 years ago. If you say like this, if you want to know 100 years ago, then we have to go back to history. So let me make you clear one by one. First, the first point to you is why we have to study history, or what is history, how history is important for us. So many of we feel that what is there in history, why we have to study history. Many of you have a lot of questions. So today we will make one by one very much clear. So let us study what is history. So here, history is the study of the past events. So what is history? History is the study of the past events. So means what had happened long back years. If you want to know, so we have to go back with history. Maybe the First World War, maybe the Second World War, maybe the ancient civilization, Harappan civilization, Mohenjo-daro civilization, maybe the other related things, or you may go with kingdoms, wars. So a lot of things we come to know how the people of ancient people lived, and in the medieval people what was the change, and in the modern today what is the change. So if you want to know this all, if you want to make, we have to go with history. So history is the study of the past events. So now next question comes to us, why do we study history, or how important is history? So we have to study history so that not to repeat the past. What has happened in the past should not be repeated in the present or the coming future. So for that purpose we need to study history. So for example, we all know that Britishers had come to India as a traders. Later on they ruled us. So this mistake should not happen in the coming generation. Means we should study the history, how they came, why they came, and how did they rule us. This, if you want to know, so then we have to go back to history. Then one more important point we get from history is evolution of human being, or evolution of mankind. So how from ancient to till today, how man has the growth of human being, we learn through the history. Next, one more important point of history is comparison with the past and the present. So we can easily compare how the ancient civilization was, and in the medieval what were the changes, and in the modern what is the lifestyle. So these all, if you want to study, then one must go to history. So history is very much important, as we have other subjects. So one must be aware of knowledge of history. So then, now let us come to the point of the lesson. So here, the chapter number 1 is related to what, where, how and when. What means, what can we know about the past, or what kind of food was there in the ancient period, what kind of clothes they used to wear, what kind of houses were there, what were the celebrations, what were the songs, dramas, stories were there. In order to know these all, we have to go with the past. So for example, early civilization, if you go with early civilization on the banks, or before early civilization, man used to wander. We all know that man used to wander, and he don't have any fixed place. He used to go from one place to another place. He was a wanderer. Later on he started to live under the trees, in the caves, and even small huts. So his food was, we come to know through history, we come to know His food was leaves, fruits, roots, and raw meat. So he used to hunt and used to eat the animals with raw. Later on, how he discovered fire, we come to know through the history. So second one, clothes. Early civilization. Today we have a variety of clothes, but earlier we used to the early people used to go with leaves and animal skin. So houses. So most of us, most of early people, they used to live in the caves, trees, or huts. Huts made of what you call that thatched hut, we can say, or the grass hut, the dry grass hut. So even they used to have their own entertainment with songs, dramas, stories, and some kind of celebration. So which way they had a kind of recreation. So the next point of the lesson we go with where. Where means where did people live, or where do the people gather the food. So we know that the early food was gathered in the forest. That is, they used to go with the fruits, leaves, roots, or even they used to hunt. They used to hunt with the equipments. Even we come to know through the equipments also. The early equipments were wooden equipments. Early equipments were the sharp pointed what do you call the thorns of the fishes. They make use of it. Then later on, slowly there was a change in them. They started living in a fixed place nearby the river, and they started along with agriculture and animal rearing. Even we come to know travel. So earlier man used to travel. If you compare with what you can say medieval and ancient, man used to travel from the European countries or other countries through mountain pass, Himalayan mountain pass. So no later after that, in the 14th or 15th century, Vasco da Gama discovered a sea route to India through the Calicut, Kerala. So this is what he went on. We understand here there was a change. So this was known a part of history. Even we come to know wars. So earlier the kings used to have a war with one another, and they used to occupy the other kingdom. And the earliest kingdom, which was the earliest kingdom, Magad. If you go back to history, Magad was the ancient kingdom of our nation, of our India, and even these all, if you want to know, then it is our duty. One has to study history. I think you have understood the points. What can we know the past, and where did the people live in the past? So this we want to compare. Then one should study history. I think you have got the topic. In the next period, we will learn about how and when. In the next video, we will see how and when about the history. So here, thank you and have a nice day.